This is where the magic is going to happen. That's my drain from the other side of the property. And that's where we're going to empty the pool from. And that is going to head right on down the driveway. Way down there, all the way into the street. It's really a phenomenal setup. I can't thank the last people that had the house before us to think of putting that in. It has been a godsend. So I'm going to leave you here for a few minutes. I got to get things started up, and then you'll see the water coming out and you'll know what's happening. Phenomenal setup, I really got to say. I love it. So let's take a trip as far as where this goes now. And I hate to drain the pool, but we're having it finished, and I'll be here probably in a week, 2 weeks, and I'm draining the pool for them. Look at all the debris it's washing down the driveway. Crazy, huh? So much. And there we have it. All the way from up there. All the way from on the other side of the house, way over there. All around the back of the property, and that's how we do it. I told you it would be pretty cool. Normally I just drop the pool water a couple of feet and put a pool pump cover on. This year, the refinisher said don't even bother putting the cover on, because after they're done, just to fill the bowl, the deep end, with water, let it sit for the winter, and then early spring they'll be out to clean up whatever has to be dealt with and pump it out and get the refinishing going. Everything's running good over here. We're draining. I got a little bit of a drip at my cap there because it's not tight enough, but that's no big deal. You can see the pool heater is still on, right? You can see that. So I'm going to go throw the disconnect for the pool heater. We'll be shutting that off for the winter. As you can tell, the pool heater went off, and that part's done for the winter. Let's take a look at how the pool's doing. This pump, the pool pump and the bottom drains, they really empty this pool quickly. You can see we're already down probably 3 inches. Okay, 3 inches. And that's why by now those skimmers would have been sucking air and we're gotten all screwed up, but we're pumping through the bottom drain. I do have a time-lapse camera running there, which we're going to play later after the whole process is done. But let's sit back and wait and enjoy. And thanks for coming along for the ride this year. It's been a pleasure hosting you. Take care.